So to try to answer your question there, Cecilia, in essence, they're the same thing. Because I know if I have a geometric sequence, it's going to be like some number times some ratio plus that number times that ratio squared plus that number times some ratio cubed and so on. And so this is the r value. I times it by r each time. Well, if this r is, let's say, 1 plus 0.2, let's say, and this is 1.02 plus it, right? Which is then 1.02. This then becomes interest. So a geometric sequence, right, is really the same as compound interest. Just the r in compound interest, like 1.07, right, as a 7%, is what the r value is for the geometric sequence. And so we're actually using the same thing each time. So when I look at question 4 specifically, which if I'm looking at my stuff, it's about the iguanas, right? And so the iguanas are raising up on average 4.7 per year. So when I start with my population of it says 3, 4, 5, 1 iguanas. After 1 year, it's 1 plus 0.047. Even though it looks like compound interest, this is R, similar to U1R. And so we are actually using compound interest, and geometric sequences are essentially the same thing. It's just your perspective is different, but they're the same calculation. I hope that helps.